I am very excited for the eye autofocus for video.
It's a big, big deal for video to be able to do IAF. It's amazing.
I'm really excited about the IAF for video, and now that I have transitioned really from stills to motion, it's something that is very useful.
As a documentary filmmaker, particularly working in a lot of intense environments, fast moving situations, running around even in dangerous situations, keeping your focus on the subject is the hardest thing that we do.
Where I really find IAF for video super helpful is when we use it during run and gun productions. We normally don't have control of the lighting, and in super contrasty light, I never really see my screen very well. The IAF for video just helps me calm down and not panic, knowing that the frame is correct and everything that I wanted is in focus.
I love shooting wide open, and now with the eye autofocus, I don't have to worry about, the nose being in focus and the eye not. I can shoot my subject, they're walking around, moving, talking, and I have that perfect focus right on that eye, and that is so amazing.
People will use really high-end glass and they'll close it down. And the whole purpose of that glass was to make eye candy out of everything you shoot. Using a lens, even like the 135-1.8, is amazing because I can go in and I can shoot super tight and have IAF active while I'm shooting video and not have to worry at all about whether it's sharp or not. It's just a huge advantage and allows me to fully realize the potential of all the glass that I already have in the Sony line.
You're always balancing the cinematic quality with your aperture, and so in order to have everything in focus, you kind of sacrifice that cinematic quality. Having IAF for video will be amazing because that'll give us the ability to have that cinematic look and not compromise keeping what we need in focus to be in focus.
This is the first camera they've ever made that IAF is a reality for video. And that's just insane. You combine 4K quality with IAF and this glass, that's game over.